guys, today I'm gonna share with you the way we list own file in the folder and subfolder with the Python. Let's get started. So we have the folder reference ref and inside it include two subfolders. First is the red 2025 and the other is red 2026. So our mission today is list own file in the parent folder ref that include the subfolder. So let's get started with our programming. So first we need to import the necessary library. So we use the Pathlib. So we use from Pathlib, we import path. We also need the message box to show out the process completed for our end user. So we use range statement, range backslash quotation backslash process completed. Okay, we also need the variable parent folder. So we create parent folder FLT equal path. So let's write it to the ref folder and select copy path and paste it to our variable right here. In this case, we want to check with the subfolder. We create another sub FLT with the path. So let's check with the ref 2026 copy path at it. Okay. With the Pathlib, we can use for loop iterator and include with the if statement if item in the folder is either or e5 to list on file folder. So in this video we will use the clock library not use the either in this video. So we create a folder for file in parent folder .clock. With the clock library we can use the wildcard asterisk. Okay, and just print file. Okay, so let's run it to check the result. Open the internet terminal and now type Python 3 our file name f5 sheet.list sheet.file.py. Now we have to just the subfolder, not list own file in the subfolder. That means with the clock it just work for the file in the current directory, not work with the subfolder in the parent folder. So let's try. So if we try log it and try with the subfolder and we run it, now we have list own file in the subfolder. That's the way the clock work in the file folder. Okay, log it again. So in case we want to list own file in the folder that includes subfolder, we can use the recursive clock. Just use like this for file in parent folder .clock. Okay, so with the clock we also use this wildcard architect. So recursive clock to look through the subfolder, just insert the R before the clock. So now we print file. Okay, let's rerun it. Now we have the own parent subfolder and own file in the subfolder in our parent folder. So okay, let's lock the ring again, and in case we want just list on the specific file with specific extension in the folder, we can use the Pathlib component surface like this. We can use it file.surface equal dot example. We have the txt file and xls right here. So let's check with the xls. So we will key is equal xls. Okay, if it equal xls, then we will print file. Okay, so now let's rerun it, and then it will return it only file with extension is our asset. That, yeah, that's it. That's the way we handle list on file and folder. See ya, and thank you for watching.